Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's look at what happened globally. Strong momentum in the global markets following the US Fed Reserve's announcement to cut interest rates twice this year. The US 10-year bond yield dropped by 5 basis points, closing at 4.2%, while the US dollar index fell to a 5-month low at 103 after the Fed's decision. The Fed kept its benchmark interest rate unchanged and reduced its GDP growth forecast due to concerns over slowing US economy and persistent inflation, which will help in pricing in the market. To start with our first segment for Thursday, 20th March 2025, Nifty index opened on a positive note near 22,900 but saw an initial dip towards 22,800. However, the index quickly reclaimed the 22,900 marks, and throughout the day, the index remained range-bound within a range of 60 to 70 points, suggesting a lack of strong momentum. However, sustained buying at lower levels indicated strength of the bulls, and it formed a small-bodied bullish candle on the daily frame and has been forming higher highs, higher lows from the last 3 trading sessions, which suggests that supports are shifting higher. India VIX was marginally up by 0.5% to 13.3 levels. Nifty put-call ratio slightly cooled off to 1.20. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 22,500 to 23,500, while immediate range could be in between 22,700 to 23,100. Moving on to the second segment, in the equity cash market, FIIs turned net sellers again and sold to the tune of 1,097 crores, while DIIs continue buying worth 2,141 crores. FII's index long-short ratio increased to 27%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to hold above 22,700 for an up move towards 23,000 and 23,250, while supports can be seen at 22,700. Bank Nifty has to hold above 49,500 for the next up move towards 50,000, while support can be seen at 49,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Max Healthcare, Hoodco, Prestige Estate, Lodha, Escorts and Tata Power, while some weakness could be seen in TechM, LTIM, United Spirits, TCS, Infosys and Nykaa. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.